Look at the amount of shedded hair. I've not even done a quarter. I've not finished a quarter of my hair. And look at the amount I've shedded. Is this normal? I'm fighting for my life here.
Hi Sparkles! Hope you are excited today because as you can see, I am dancing because I'm about to take down my 3-month-old mini braids. You heard me right, 3 months. Take a look at that growth. Those are inches right there. It takes a lot of discipline to keep mini braids for 3 months and I'm so happy to finally take them out now. So to take them down, I'll be using my black outless bands, leave-in conditioner, DIY shea butter, my DIY herbal hair tea in my applicator bottle, and a small comb. I'm packing my hair into 4 sections to ease the takedown. Oh, I look so cute! Focusing on one section at a time, I will lightly spray my DIY herbal tea first. I normally use just plain water, but I decided to use this today because I had a little left in the fridge and I didn't want it to go bad. So I want to use it while it's still fresh. It's made up of rosemary, thyme and fenugreek. I love this tea because it doesn't dry out my hair and it doesn't have a strong smell compared to rosemary and clove. I'll drop the full tutorial on how I made it in the video description below so you can check it out later. So even though I'm only using it to soften my hair for the takedown, I'm also getting the benefits of the herbal ingredients while I'm at it. Then I go in with the Mediana leave-in conditioner as well, just to add extra slip and easy the takedown. You heard me right, easy the takedown. I follow up with my DIY shea butter and evenly apply it throughout the section. Then I pack my hair again so I won't miss a braid while taking them down. Ooh, look at that growth. Yes! So I'm taking this braid down with my small comb. Oopsie. Let me gingerly use my fingers first before I go in with the comb. This braid is hard to loosen. It's like if I miss a hole or a step, it will tangle easily. This is the part I don't like. As a natural hair girly, I need to gently take down my hair by myself. I don't trust anyone with my hair. I believe no one can handle my hair better than me. I just have to be patient with it. What's going on? Is that a knot? I need to be more gentle here. That herbal tea was definitely needed. It softened the knots and made finger detangling easier. This shed hair is terrifying me. All of this just from one braid. It's well. On to the next braid. There were fewer knots in this one, so I finger detangled my hair properly and twisted it up. Ooh, I'm loving the length of my hair. It's been ages. So, I repeat the same process for every braid. At the roots of my hair, I noticed some thick product buildup, so I applied a small amount of leave-in conditioner there. But it was still hard to detangle. Then I went in with my herbal hair tea and it softened the build-up and made the area easier to walk through. I love every inch of my hair, so I get terrified of shed hair easily. Look at my hair. Damn, the shaded hair is too much. Look at it. It's too much. Don't mind me. Allow me to wear my emotions on my sleeves in peace and not in pieces. I been so them talk am. Please, when you're losing your hair on braids, cornrows, twists, or any hairstyle, make sure to dampen your hair so you can reduce unnecessary breakage. If not, you could be doing more harm than good to your hair, and I wouldn't want that for you. If you notice, the product buildup on my 3-month-old mini braids is less because I've been washing my hair while it's in mini braids every 1 to 2 weeks. But I usually stick to every 2 weeks. It's only when I sweat a lot or do something strenuous and start scratching my hair during that week that I'll have to wash it earlier. I will forever preach healthy hair growth over keeping dirty hair to grow it faster. That's not true. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Not me admiring my healthy twist.
Look at the amount of shedded hair. I've not even done a quarter. I've not finished a quarter of my hair. And look at the amount I've shedded. Is this normal? I'm fighting for my life here.
God, who sent me?
Okay, I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. It's almost 1 hour. I've not even finished a quarter. This is so stressful. Okay, I need music. I need music. I feel good. I feel good. So good. So good. I feel good. Do, 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 do. I'm using my phone to record. How am I supposed to listen to music?
I'm still not done. God, who sent me? It's up to 3 hours now and I'm still not done with a quarter of my hair. Finally, I'm done with this side of my hair. I guess I'll have to finish the rest off camera so I can take my time and be extra gentle with my hair. At last, I'm done with my entire hair. Look at how voluminous and long my twists are. I'm loving it. And for the twist out, damn, maybe I should have flaunted this for a week before brushing it out. I must say, my hair looks way thicker and longer than it was 3 months ago. I also love how beautiful and healthy my hair looks, all thanks to my healthy routine. If you haven't subscribed yet, join the Sparkle family where we love to pamper our hair and make our hair shine. As for my shedded hair and breakage, this was the amount I lost. It's so much, but I guess it's normal because on average, hair sheds 50 to 150 strands a day. So this one self is small. Make I use this one hold body. Forget my facial reaction. I just love my hair so much. And finally, it's length check time. God, I beg. God, I beg. God, I beg. Drum rolls. Let's start the front today, okay? Ow. 9.2. That's like, before my front hair was 7.5, now it's 9.2. That's like 1.7 inches. I thought I would lose all my coats because of this. I shouldn't have done 3 months takedown. It really took my hair down. Oh, let's do the back side now. 10.5. My back hair was, what was the length? 8, right? 8. No, it's 10.5. That's 8. 10.5. Hold on. 10.5 minus 8 is what? That's 2.5. It's a lie. It's a lie. Yeah, I was thinking that my hair, like, I was not going to get enough length after this 3 months mini braid because it really dealt with me. Lord, thank you so much. I'm so happy, Sparkles. I'm so happy. You guys don't know what I've been through. Like, it was a lot. It took me up to like, it took me up to 12 hours for me to finish this hair. Like, it was a lot to handle. So, I'm happy. What next? Oh yeah, it's time to flaunt it. Just so you know, if you want to get these inches, if you want to retain these inches that I'm retaining right now, check out my mini braids maintenance video. It's actually easy. Just go check that maintenance retain video. The playlist, I'll attach it at the end of this video. But will I be taking down my mini braids after 3 months again? Absolutely not. I've learned my lessons. Even though I thought I ruined my hair, if I hadn't been gentle enough while taking them down, it would have been a mess. I just wanted to experiment with my hair, but here, I've learned my lesson. I'll stick to a maximum of 2 months from now on, because so far I think 1 to 2 months is a good time frame for healthy length retention. And I'll be making medium-sized braids now because my hair is longer and I don't want to go through this stress again. I can change my mind, but I'm just saying. So now it's time for me to pre-poo, wash and stretch my hair out, but that will be for another video. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss these videos when I upload them. Those clips are just trailers, so stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye Sparkles. Mwah.